Hello, so in this video we're going to look at the update process for FastMember Pro. So this is the latest version of WordPress. This is version 5.8 and you can see just down here. And we're going to update this site to be FastMember Pro. So you'll see the old version of FastMember appears down here in the menu, and it's got all the menu options here. And you'll see here when you've activated FastMember Pro, it will show it's active, but basically we still need to update. So what we need to do is follow these directions. There's a few ways we can do this. Generally, if we check for updates in WordPress, you may see an update here, but because FastMember has a 12-hour check on the updates, it may not appear immediately. But if that's the case and it's still not appearing, what we can do here is actually go back to the add-ons. We want to install one of these recommended add-ons. So you see here we've got WP maintenance mode. If we install this and make sure it's active, and then if we come into the settings, and you'll see maintenance mode here, I want to just activate maintenance mode. Okay, so once maintenance mode is activated, basically we want to come into FastMember settings and make sure this setting is not checked. So if you come into miscellaneous settings, make sure delete plugin database when plugin is uninstalled is not checked. So it wants to be like this. Make sure it's not like that. And make sure beta versions is unchecked as well. And save those settings so that it looks exactly like this, so that it's clear. And then we want to come into the main plugin list. So come into installed plugins. Come down to where FastMember is, deactivate, and delete. Now this will save all your plugin settings. They will all be retained in the database. So basically, because we made sure the setting for deleting the plugin database was not checked, it will keep all your settings in place. So FastMember will be deleted, but all your settings will remain in the database. And so once FastMember is deleted, we want to come back up to the FastFlow dashboard and go to the add-ons page. And you'll see FastMember Pro is available for installation now. So we just want to install it. And then activate. And so if we now come down into the plugins list, first you'll see FastMember now appears here at the top underneath the FastFlow dashboard, and also in the plugins list you'll see FastMember Pro is now here and it says version 2. So this is basically version 2 of FastMember. It's now called FastMember Pro and it's version 2, and this gives you a more streamlined version of FastMember. So we've cut down all the options here, and you'll see a new start page. And if the start page is slightly skewed on the layout, you just want to do a hard refresh on your browser and that will fix the formatting. So you'll see here we have new charts and widgets, and then you'll see a notice here to update the database. So just want to update the database. Okay, and so once FastMember has updated the database, you want to make sure that you actually deactivate maintenance mode as well. So just come into maintenance mode and click deactivated and save those settings. And now you should be ready to use FastMember, so everything should still be in place, all your products and all your members. And you'll see a few changes on the layout. So any questions, any problems with this process, just contact our support and we'll be here to help.